What's up YouTube, this is Bishul Haq. Today I'm going to install Nginx, PHP, MySQL and PHPMyAdmin on Ubuntu 18.04. First of all, I'm going to log into my Ubuntu server using SSH. So when I go to my server IP address, you can see that I haven't installed anything yet. I'm going to update using the update command. Now I'm going to install Nginx. I'm using -y at the end to automatically enter yes to the confirmation messages. Next, I'm going to check the status of Nginx using systemctl command. Now you can see it's active and running. Now I'll go to my server IP address and check whether it's working or not. And you can see Nginx web server is successfully installed. Now I'm going to install PHP 7.4. For that I'm going to install software properties command, and then I will install PHP 7.4 via the repository. The purpose of installing software properties command is it provides an abstraction of the used apt repositories. So that way we can manage the repositories very easily. Now I'm going to install PHP 7.4 by going to this URL. When you go to the bottom of this page, you can see Ubuntu PPA under PHP packages. When you click on this URL, you will come to this page, and here you can see the supported versions. If you go to the PHP supported versions, you can see the latest version is 7.4. So that's the reason I'm going to install PHP 7.4. To add the repository, you can find the command in here. So I'm going to copy this command. Now I'm going to install PHP 7.4 and the other extensions. Now I'm going to see the status of PHP 7.4. For that I'm going to use the command systemctl, and it's active and running. Next I'm going to install Mariadb by going to the Mariadb website. And here you have to go to download. If we go here, you can see something like Mariadb Foundation repositories. Click on that. From here you have to select the distro. I'm using Ubuntu. So from here I'm going to select my version, which is 18.04, and I'm going to go with the stable version. So from here we have already installed software properties common, so I'm going to skip this one, and I'm going to copy the release signing keys. Next I'm going to add the repository. Now I'm going to install Mariadb server using this command. Now I'm going to check the status of Mariadb using systemctl. Well, it's active and running. Now I'm going to install MySQL using the command MySQL secure installation. and I'm going to give yes for change the root password, and now I'm going to enter a new password. Well, we have installed MySQL successfully. Now it's time to install PHP Myadmin. For that, I'm going to open the PHP Myadmin web page. From here, when you go to download, you can see PHP Myadmin and the version. So I'm going to install the latest one, which will be PHP Myadmin 5.0.2. From here, I'm going to copy the tar file, which will be english.tar.gz, by right clicking on the URL and by selecting copy link address. I'm going to extract the tar file by selecting the name. Well, we have successfully extracted the tar file. Now I'm going to move all these files to PHP Myadmin folder. Next, I'm going to create a symbolic link from PHP Myadmin directory to the local host. Well, we have successfully created the symbolic link. Now it's time to configure Nginx. I'm going to open a default file under sites available using nano. In here, I'm going to add index.php. And some lines of code. To save, I'm going to press Ctrl O and enter. To exit from the file, press Ctrl X. Now I'm going to check whether the syntax is okay or not. You can see the syntax is okay. Now I'm going to restart Nginx server using systemctl restart. Now I'm going to check the status of Nginx. It's active and running. Now it's time to check PHP Myadmin. So for that, I'm going to go to my server IP and I'll be typing PHP Myadmin. It's working perfectly. We are at PHP Myadmin. That's it, guys. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe and share with others. Peace out.